Recording labor on a partograph is important to monitor the progress of labor, identify any complications early, and ensure timely interventions for the safety of both the mother and baby. To record labor on a partograph, navigate to the View section and select Pending Delivery. You can filter and adjust the dates as needed to access patients within a specific time. Then click on View. Select the patient as indicated. If your list is lengthy, you may use the search bar. Then click on Actions and choose Labor Partograph. In the new window, select each option individually while documenting the patient's data, ensuring that you accurately record the date and time of each entry, as it provides a clear timeline of labor progress, allowing healthcare providers to monitor changes in real time. For the entries you make, the system will automatically generate a graphical representation of the data. Recording the fetal heart rate is essential to monitor the baby's well-being during labor and detect any signs of distress for timely intervention. Select the fetal heart rate, input the heart rate along with the date and time of the recording, and then click Save to save changes. Recording the status of the fetal membranes is important for monitoring labor progress and assessing the risk of infection, helping guide appropriate interventions. Click on the fetal membrane. Select the status of the liquor, adjust the date and time if needed, then click on Save. Fetal molding allows the baby's head to fit through the pelvis more easily, helping to facilitate delivery and assess labor progress. Select Fetal Molding and choose the appropriate option from the degree drop-down that best suits your assessment. Adjust the date and time if necessary, then click the Save button to save. Recording cervical dilation helps monitor labor progress and enables informed decisions about interventions and timing of delivery. Enter the dilation in centimeters and adjust the date and time as needed. Click on Save button to save. Recording fetal head descent helps monitor labor progress and the baby's position, allowing for timely assessment of potential complications. In the station drop-down, negative stations indicate that the head is above the ischial spines. 0 station means the fetal head is at the level of the ischial spines, and positive stations signify that the head is below the ischial spines. Make your selection accordingly, adjust time and date if needed, and click on the Save button to save. Recording maternal contractions helps monitor their frequency, duration, and intensity, enabling healthcare providers to assess labor progress and make informed decisions about interventions. Please record the number of contractions over a 10-minute period and note the duration of each contraction as indicated. Select the strength of each contraction and adjust the date and time if necessary. Click the Save button to store your entries. Capturing the mother's vital signs is essential for monitoring her health during labor, detecting complications, and guiding timely interventions to ensure her and the baby's safety. Record the mother's blood pressure, which is crucial for monitoring her cardiovascular health during labor and detecting complications like preeclampsia, ensuring the safety of both mother and baby. Record the temperature and document the pulse rate, as monitoring these vital signs is crucial for assessing her heart function during labor. Adjust the date if needed, and click on the Save button to save. The graphical representation from the labor partograph visualizes key indicators such as fetal heart rate, cervical dilation, uterine contractions, and the mother's blood pressure and pulse rate. This helps healthcare providers assess labor progress and make informed management decisions. Click on Print Partograph to save and print the partograph.